Public education, regionalized and Bonga Peninsula, divisions of Bonga City, Regional Science High School of Region 9 on its 8th commencement exercises with the theme, Generasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaakapay sa Bagong Pilipinas, Generation of Unity, Partners of New Generation, your Masters of Ceremony, Miss Darren Olgabaran, and Mr. Arman T. Chico.
Excellent afternoon, everyone.
So
officially begin the ceremony, and they all rise as we witness the entrance of the Grand Marshal.
Hindi ko na posible yan. Hello ate.
Sabi tayo, sabi. Pero pag magalaw man.
Start. So good na. Vlogger. Yan na, friend.
Nasa loob yung bag.
Ano?
The entrance to the advisors on the graduating class of school year 2024-2025.
The entrance of the graduating class of school year 2024-2025 and their proud parents.
Kasi tira na siya.